our friends at Javi Accessories sent us this set of suspenders with bow tie. I'm gonna open it and show you how it comes packaged with everything you need for that special day. Okay, so it has really nice black bow tie, really elegant, with really good materials, as you can see right there. Look how beautiful and well made this bow tie is. Elegant. Wow, it's so nice. See that? You see how the light bounces off of that really velvety material? It's really nice with the buckles that you're gonna need, right? Everything is thought of. This is the back of the bow tie, but most importantly, look how beautiful this is. This is amazing. I think you're gonna love it, and everyone's gonna love the way it looks on you. And here are the suspenders with the nice leather bucket in the, you see? Nice leathery, and then the nice clamps that go. This is a universal fit, so basically you put it like that, right? And then you extend it down and you have your suspenders in the back. It looks beautiful. They're gonna be this way, right? This goes in the pants, for those of you who know done suspenders, and it goes like that, and this goes down this way, down to your pants as well. So thank the guys at Javi Accessories for sending this to me, and my son is going to love it because he's going to graduate in these suspenders and this bow tie.